Hello everyone, this is Eric Towers with Towers Arms. This is week 4 of FTE 217. We have 5 parts of this week's assignment. Part 1, we're talking about disassembly. Part 2, we're talking about cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting. Part 3 is educating customers on ammunition-induced malfunctions. Part 4 is training customers on proper shooting principles. Part 5, importance of understanding firearm and accessory operation. Today I will walk you through the disassembly, cleaning, and maintenance of an AR15 rifle platform. Here is the rifle fully assembled. For safety and clarity, I'll perform the detailed assembly off camera. Hello, today I will walk you through the disassembly, cleaning, and maintenance of an AR15 rifle platform. Here is the rifle fully assembled. For safety and clarity, I'll perform the detailed disassembly off camera. But we will safety check it. So, no magazine, no ammunition present anywhere. Chamber is empty and clear. We're safe and clear. On to disassembly. Here you can see the AR-15 disassembled into the primary components. We have the upper receiver, the lower receiver, the bolt carrier group, the charging handle, buffer tube assembly with buffer and spring, the barrel, gas block, gas tube, and barrel nut, and the hand guard. This level of disassembly is necessary for a thorough cleaning and inspection of the key parts such as the bolt, the gas rings, the firing pin, and extractor. Moving on to cleaning lubrication, first I'll inspect the bolt face for carbon buildup and cracks, especially around the extractor and ejector areas. No cracks. Checking the gas rings for any wear. If you don't provide proper sealing, the gas will leak by and give you cycling issues. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead and start with cleaning. Go ahead and use some break-free CLP to clean out the barrel. A little synthetic oil on here. Oil up that bore. Get some oil on that. And inside of the chamber here, a little bit of CLP right on everything. Hasn't been shot, so there really isn't much cleaning to do. Nylon brush. Give it a quick wipe down, scrub. Squirt inside. These scrub, scrub, scrub. We got the bolt put back together. We're gonna go ahead and put a little oil on the exterior surfaces with the rails here. I put a little down on the cam pin. So we need lube on that. The only other thing that could use a little bit of lube would just be those pins. But that's just mainly corrosion resistance. Along that sear surfaces there, along the hammer. And we can drip a little bit into our, down inside of our pivot pin and takedown pin, put a little oil in there. We went over what needed to be looked at and lubricated, cleaned. So now I'm going to reassemble it off camera. There's nothing obvious on this one that we've seen. All right, back together. We already did part 1, the disassembly and explanation of the parts. Part 2 is cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting. And now we're on to part 3, educating customers on ammunition-induced malfunctions. A critical aspect of customer education is the impact of ammunition quality on firearm function. Low quality or improperly loaded ammo can cause failures to feed, failure to fire, failure to eject, or even slam fires. For AR platforms, those with piston-driven systems, like the FN SCAR or the HK-MR556, tend to have tighter tolerances and may be more sensitive to ammo inconsistencies compared to traditional direct impingement AR-15s. Failure to recognize these issues can result in damaged extractors, cracked gas keys, or even catastrophic failures. Improper ammunition use can also lead to increased recoil and unpredictable cycling, risking injury from unexpected firearm behavior. Part 4, training customers on proper shooting principles. As a gunsmith, I strongly recommend training customers in proper shooting fundamentals. Proper grip reduces muzzle rise and helps control recoil. An aggressive grip on the pistol grip combined with firm forward hold on the handguard is ideal. A solid stance such as Isili's or modified Weaver stance improves balance and target acquisition. Additional trigger control is critical. Smooth, consistent trigger pulls prevent muzzle disturbance. These principles help not only in accuracy, but also in preserving the firearm by reducing stress on components caused by jerky or uncontrolled firing. Part 5, importance of understanding firearm and accessory operation. Before attaching any accessory, it is vital to understand how it affects the firearm's operation. For example, mounting an optic requires knowledge of zeroing and eye relief to ensure proper sight picture and prevent scope bite. Adding suppressor changes the barrel length and the gas dynamics, which may necessitate adjustments to the gas block or buffer system to maintain reliable cycling. Mounting a rail-mounted flashlight improperly can interfere with the ejection port or the charging handle's movement, causing malfunctions. These examples highlight why a deep understanding of the firearm mechanics and accessory compatibility is essential for safety and performance. Thank you all for watching. This is Eric Towers with Towers Arms. This was week 4 of FTE 217. Thank you for watching. Adhere to these detailed maintenance and educational practices ensures your AR operates safely, reliably, and efficiently.